Is the Gmail app not working on your phone or tablet? Maybe it keeps crashing, won't open, isn't loading emails, or refuses to sync. Don't worry, most Gmail app issues can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to get the Gmail app working again in 2026. First, make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Try opening a website or another app that uses the internet. If your connection is slow or disconnected, Gmail won't work properly. Next, completely close the Gmail app and open it again. On most phones, you can swipe it away from the recent app screen before launching it again. This often fixes temporary glitches. If Gmail is still not responding, restart your phone or tablet. Yeah, restarting clears temporary system errors and refreshes background services that Gmail depends on. Now open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and check for Gmail updates. Installing the latest version can fix bugs, improve performance, and resolve compatibility issues. If you're using an Android device, open your phone settings, go to Apps, select Gmail, then open Storage and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your emails. Next, make sure Gmail Sync is enabled and that the app has permission to access the internet and send notifications. Incorrect settings can prevent the app from working normally. If nothing else works, uninstall the Gmail app if your device allows it, or uninstall its updates on Android, then install or update it again from your app store. After signing back in, the app should work normally, and that's how to fix the Gmail app when it's not working in 2026. Whether the problem was your internet connection, app cache, outdated software, or sync settings, these steps solve most Gmail app issues. If the problem still continues, check Google's service status or contact Google support for additional assistance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.